How to add or remove apps from Never Auto Sleeping apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app, now in Setting, scroll down and click on Battery. After click on battery, click on background usage limits. After click on background usage limits, you will see click on never auto sleeping apps. After click on never auto sleeping apps, if you want to add never auto sleeping apps, so click on this plus icon and you will add apps from here. After add apps, click, you will see apps is add on never auto sleeping apps. If you want to remove never auto sleeping apps, click on this three dot icon and click on remove. So you will see select app from here. After select app and click on remove, you will see never auto sleeping apps is removed. So you will add or remove never auto sleeping apps from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove apps from never auto sleeping apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.